Okay, Josh, you're with TNT. I just wanted to kind of give you an opportunity to kind of give the highlights, what you see as kind of the key lead points of where TNT kind of stands out.
Absolutely. Like you said, my name is Josh Rogers. I am the Kansas representative for TNT Rescue Tools. And I think some of our biggest advantages, we're an all made in America company. It's a small company that we machine and tool and make everything right here in the good old US of A, which means that not only do we have competitive prices, but if you have problems with anything, then we can take care of it. We make the parts so we can make more parts, which also leads us into another big advantage is we have a lifetime warranty. That means for the entire time that your tool system exists, that we will fix and or repair or replace any piece of your equipment that you have. You break a blade, you break a handle, you break anything, you call me, and in 24 hours I will have your tool fixed or will have a replacement tool for you for the entire time you have the tools. We also make our own pump system, so we have leading edge rotary piston pump technology, which allows us to have higher flow rates as well as higher power curve in all of our tools. So if you take a pound for pound competitors' tools with our tool, our tool will cut more quicker than theirs will. Their tool will cut more and quicker with our pump because of our superior pump technology. I mean, those are some of the really big.
Where do you kind of stand in line as far as price range? Not that that's the only important thing, of course.
Our prices are very competitive. We don't have to do import tariffs. We don't have to send things from other countries. So our price is typically, if you look at list price, we are probably on one of the cheapest ends of the spectrum on tools. We are comparable. I don't want to ever use the word cheap, but we're the lower cost of initial cost of ownership of the tools of any on the market, as well as your long-term cost. If you think about it, maintenance, upkeep, and repair and replacement. Sometimes a tool blade replacement, I know from competitors, will cost as much as $1,500 to have blades replaced. It costs nothing with us, absolutely zero. You call me, I bring you new blades, we repair them, I shake your hand, we have a cup of coffee, and I go home. So absolutely, I think you cannot beat us long term as far as warranty and everything. The power is very impressive. We have a very cutting edge technology. They're constantly trying new things. We have a lot of options. So for instance, in our spreaders, we have 3 specific lines of spreaders, and in all of those spreaders you can get them in 24, 28, or 32 inch. So you can kind of build your own system of how you want. I want a big spreader that's a 28 inch spreader. I want this cutter, I want that cutter. And it's constantly adapting, and there's always ability to upgrade and to increase your capabilities. We also stay with the same basic platform. So in 10 years from now, if your cutter seems, quote, obsolete or not capable of cutting the new metals, the cutter that we make in 10 years from now will be fully plug and play with your system. So you can buy a new cutter and integrate it into your system. When we come out with a new pump design, we keep it in the same reservoir housing, because then the pump that you have now, we can upgrade and make it a new pump. So we just recently we went to a supercharged, what they call turbo plates, and everybody who had pre-turbo plate pumps can be upgraded those turbo plates and make their pump faster. So just keeping with that same platform, I think, really makes us versatile. And for any department in the state or any department in the world, really, that wants a tool that is a superior technology, superior performance for a competitive, if not better than the competitor price, with a warranty that's unmatched in the industry. I don't think you can go wrong with TNT.
Thank you very much, Josh.
Thank you.